Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today is Sunday, July 14th. David went to work this morning, but Bubba and I are getting ready to head to church. We're gonna meet my mom at church and then run a few errands. So I thought today I would do a day in the lifestyle vlog. I haven't done one of these in a really long time. David and I were actually sitting in my office last night going through the hundreds of YouTube videos that I posted over the years. I am so thankful to have all of those memories to look back on. And I'm so thankful that I've been able to share so much of my life with you guys. I definitely wanna get back to regularly posting here on my channel. I have been keeping up with my blog and my Instagram, so if you're not following me on those platforms, I will have all the links to that in the description box below. I do want to film a sit-down life update video for you guys. If there's any questions you want me to answer in that video, leave those questions in the comment section of this video and I'll make sure to get to those. I also do a lot of Q&As over on my Instagram, so if you're not following me on the Magical Mundane Life on Instagram, I do a lot of Q&As on my story. It's really fun talking to you guys over there, but I am excited to get back to YouTube and I'm excited to share our day with you. Before we head to church, we need to have some breakfast. For myself, I am making a smoothie. I was at Publix a couple weeks ago and I saw these Dole fruit and veggie blends on sale, buy one get one free, so I decided to pick them up and give them a try because I am a smoothie lover, but I hardly ever make them these days. I just feel like it's too time consuming to cut up all the fruit and do all of that, so these are super easy. This one is just strawberries, bananas, blueberries, and kale. It's just frozen, throw it in your freezer, and I just throw a couple handfuls in my Ninja blender, top it off with orange juice, blend it up really quick. It blends for 60 seconds. I drink it right out of the cup, super easy, and then I just throw this in the dishwasher, and then this is the only other piece that I have to wash. Super easy. I happen to have some fresh watermelon on hand, so I'll throw a few pieces in there as well. I have a huge sweet tooth, so this definitely helps with that. I feel like it's a good start to my morning and super easy. Definitely check these out if you guys haven't tried them. They do have a couple different flavors. They have a veggie one that has more spinach and kale and things like that. I really enjoy that one as well. For Bubba's breakfast, he is eating a Smucker's Uncrustable Peanut Butter and Jelly Jam Sandwich. I cut it up and give him a few pieces at a time. When I put too much food on his tray, he seems to be overwhelmed and starts throwing it on the floor and feeds the dog. So I just give him a few pieces at a time. I also put his sippy cup up here for him as well. He only drinks milk and water, so he usually gets milk just before bed and before nap time, and he drinks water throughout the day, so he has his water cup there. So he'll eat that, and I will also give him a yogurt as well. Bubba is almost 16 months old. He will be 16 months at the end of the week. I cannot believe it. He is growing so fast. In case anyone is interested, this is the yogurt that we give Bubba. It is the Stonyfield Organic Kids Whole Milk Strawberry and Banana Yogurt. He really, really likes this. Afternoon. We just got done with church. We were a few minutes late this morning. I definitely underestimated how much time it was going to take me to get myself and the baby ready and out the door this morning. Usually every Sunday I have David's help and he feeds Bubba, gets him dressed, and does all of that. So it was just me this morning, so it took me a little bit longer than I expected. So we were about 10 to 15 minutes late, which is why it cut right from breakfast to church. I didn't have time to let you guys know what was going on. So we went to church this morning. I was hoping to pick up my bridesmaid dress right after church because my brother is getting married this Friday. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe it. I had to get a few alterations done on my bridesmaid dress. I looked up the times to see when they were open today, and they're actually closed on Sunday, so I'm not getting my bridesmaid dress, but I did want to show you guys the shoes that I am wearing for the wedding. Audrey wanted us to wear silver shoes, any kind of silver shoes we wanted. I've had the hardest time finding silver shoes. It is a week before the wedding. I was getting stressed out because I couldn't find shoes, and then my mom told me that Goodwill had a bunch of silver heels. So I ran in there and I found these shoes. They are Top Mode. I've never heard of this brand before, but they are brand new. These shoes have never been worn, and they were $11.99, which I thought was a little bit expensive for Goodwill, but they were brand new and I needed shoes. So I went ahead and got them. I think they're super cute, and then when I went up to pay, they were actually 50% off, so I got them for $6, so you can't beat that. So I have these really pretty silver shoes to wear for the wedding, and I painted my toenails blue. which is crazy. They match my bridesmaid dress, which was what I was going for, but blue is so out of my comfort zone when it comes to nail polish color because my toes are usually always red or pink. So I'm gonna have blue toes, silver shoes, really pretty dress. I am super excited. If you guys want me to vlog the day of the wedding, let me know. I think that would be fun to share with you guys. So anyway, not getting my bridesmaid dress today. Hopefully I'll get that tomorrow and I won't need any more alterations. But now my mom and I are gonna head to lunch and just see what we're gonna get into this afternoon. We decided to go to Jersey Mike's for lunch. Bubba's got some puffs. Mom just got him some cheese and ham. Cheese. You want some cheese? Look at your hair. We just got done with lunch. It was really fun because as we were walking out of Jersey Mike's, my friend Liz was walking into Jersey Mike's, so it was nice to see her. I actually hung out with her earlier this week on Tuesday, which was really fun. A lot of you guys always ask me about Liz and how she's doing. She's doing really great. She has an Instagram. I'll put it in the description box below. You guys can go follow her if you would like. She looked so pretty today. She had a cute little dress on. She's just coming from church. So it was nice to see her, a nice little surprise. Now, Bubba and I are headed over to JC Western Wear to find David boots for the wedding. He needs black boots because he's wearing a black suit. So we're gonna go see if we can find him some black cowboy boots. I definitely have lots of cute women's boots. Definitely don't need a new pair, but these are where I got my wedding shoes. Make your shoes. Make your shoes. We just got home. I put the baby down for a nap, so hopefully he sleeps for a little while. I thought I would quickly show you guys the boots that we picked up for David to wear to my brother's wedding. They're not black, they're kind of a grayish color, but I think they're really nice. David really likes the square toe style, and they didn't have a ton of boots with the square toe in his size. He's like a 14. Guy has huge feet. He's 6'8", so you can imagine. So those are the shoes he's gonna wear to my brother's wedding. And then I thought I would also show you guys the boots that we have for Bubba to wear. How cute are these? His pants will cover the camo, so you won't see that. You'll just see the little brown boots, but these are adorable. They're Faded Glory brand, so they came from Walmart. We were actually given these. My church is really awesome. We have a lot of foster families in our church, so they started a foster closet so that any foster family can go there and get clothes, shoes, toys, anything that we need. We have donations all the time of really great stuff. So I just reached out and asked if they had any cowboy boots, any kind of boots he could wear for the wedding, and they gave me these, so that was super nice of them. It's really nice to have that foster care closet. There's all kinds of really great resources for foster families in our county. I would definitely check into some resources in your county if you're a foster parent. There's so many great things to use, but I'm really thankful for our church and for these cute little boots, and I can't wait for him to wear them. It is now 5:30. David just got home from work not too long ago. Unfortunately, Bubba never took a nap. He laid in his crib for a while, but he never fell asleep, so that's a bummer. But while he was in his room relaxing, I did some work in my office. Right now, he is in his swing watching some Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. He loves his swing. I don't know what we're gonna do when he outgrows it because he is obsessed with it. He's probably already too big for it, but don't tell him that because he absolutely loves it. He would sit in this thing all day long, which I am still thankful for. So he's in his swing watching some TV. We're getting ready to head over to our new neighbor's house. We had some people move in across the street not too long ago. David went over there and met them, but I haven't been over there yet. They're having a birthday party for their kids. They have 3 kids and 2 of them have birthdays around the same time. One is turning 7 and one is turning 8, so they're having a big joint birthday party for them today. So we're gonna go over there and meet them. But before we do, I'm gonna do some cleaning because y'all, my family room, David's doing something in the garage, so please ignore the air compressor noise. But this is the state of my family room, which actually I feel like doesn't look that bad, but this is just a section of it. I have, the couches are all a hot mess, so I'm gonna straighten this up. Please tell me I'm not the only one with a kid that's house looks like this. I feel like a bomb just went off every time he plays. So I'm gonna clean this up and then we're gonna head over to the party. Family room is all cleaned up. We got the gifts wrapped. Bubba is trying to run off with one of them. That's not for you. It's not for you. We're gonna head to the party and we're not gonna vlog because I've never even met them and I don't think they want us vlogging. So we're gonna leave the vlog camera at home, but we're excited to go over there and hang out for a little bit. And then Big Brother's on tonight.
Oh yeah.
Which is exciting. We love Big Brother. Let us know in the comment section if you're watching Big Brother and who you're a fan of. I don't have like a clear person that I love yet. I'm still feeling everyone out. Also, let us know if you guys are watching Love Island, because we just started watching that. I'm not sure how I feel about it yet, but anyway, it's been a while since we vlogged.
I know, kind of like it.
Remember when we used to weekend vlog every weekend?
Yeah.
Maybe
we need to get back into that.
Maybe one of these days we'll do that. But I do miss you guys. I was saying earlier in the vlog, Dave and I were going through my videos last night, and gosh, I miss it. So we're gonna start vlogging more.
Definitely.
So, but let's go to the party.
Let's go.
We are back from the party. Can you guys tell that it was an outdoor party? I am drenched in sweat. I think we were outside for maybe an hour and a half. I don't know. I have no idea how long we were over there, but I'm completely drenched in sweat. They have a really nice pool, which is great. They sent us home with some cake, which let me show you guys that. Instead of a typical cake, she made these little cakes in a cup, which are super cute. She told me all the flavors, but of course I already forgot. I think this one is like chocolate, one is passion fruit, so those look super yummy. I'm excited to try them. Now that we're home, we're gonna get showered in our pajamas, get the baby ready for bed, and then probably just hang out and watch Big Brother, and then call it a night. So thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to do so. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, my blog. All of that will be linked in the description box below. If you guys have any questions for my life update video, make sure to leave those in the comments section as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, everyone.
Yeah.